Hey Pet Masters, check out what happened in my garden yesterday. Last night a crazy gust of wind just took that smoker and just blew it away. But that's not why I want to talk to you guys. I want to talk to you guys about a new feature on YouTube. The feature is called Sponsor. It's a sponsorship button that will enable you to sponsor my YouTube channel. And that is fantastic news, because now you can be part of this YouTube channel on a whole nother level. I believe so much in inspiring other people and creating beautiful videos that I stopped my daytime job. I even got Ray to help me out. He's a full-time videographer and editor on this YouTube channel, just to get you guys the best movies we possibly can. But as always, we got more crazy plans. We want to do more cool stuff, even better than that we're doing right now. And I know you guys love it. I know you really appreciate what we're doing, because you're subscribing by the hundreds daily. That's just insane, right? Now, of course, these videos don't create themselves. They cost a lot of effort and a lot of money to create. And I'm very happy that I have sponsors nowadays who pick up the tab and say, hey Pet Master X, go out, have fun, create these beautiful videos. Now the big question is, why would you sponsor this channel? So besides all of the cool things that we're already doing, we got plans. We want to go places. It basically comes down to this. You love what we do, you love the improvements that we made, and you want to see what we can do even more. We want to create the best barbecue videos there are in the world. Of course, we're not going to take all that support for granted. We're also going to show you our appreciation. You will get a badge, a custom badge, which is just for you, which will show that you are one of our supporters. You're also going to get custom emojis, which you can use in the super chat during the live stream. But even more important, there's going to be a lot of interaction in the community tab. If you want to find out how all this works, just click on the sponsor button and YouTube will show you the rest. If you are unable or you don't want to contribute, that's fine. The videos keep coming. The great content will still be there. But I'm just really excited about the opportunity YouTube has given us. Having you guys being even more part of this YouTube channel, that's epic. So I hope you guys support and sponsor this channel. If you have questions, just leave them down below in the comments, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's makkelijk.